I'm Craig from OHIOSTEEL here in Columbus, Ohio. Today we're going over the assembly of the 48T lawn roller. The total assembly time should take no more than 15 minutes, so let's get started. Here's what you'll find inside the box. 1 roller body, 2 sidebars, 1 roller hitch weldment, 1 hitch pin, 1 assembly hardware bag, and the owner's manual. Now that all parts have been unpacked and organized, please take this opportunity to locate your owner's manual. Flip to the warranty page and attach your receipt to this page. All warranty claims require that you share your proof of purchase with OHIOSTEEL's customer service team. Step 1. Locate 2 1-inch axle washers and 2 cotter pins from the assembly hardware bag. Slide the sidebars over the axles with the flanges of the factory press bearings towards the inside of the roller head. Slide the 1-inch washer onto the axle. Secure the assembly onto the axle with a cotter pin and bend the legs of the cotter pin to secure in place. Now repeat for the other side. Step 2. Locate 2 3-inch hex bolts and 2 3/8-inch lock nuts from the assembly hardware bag. Align the roller hitch weldment holes with the holes in both of the roller sidebars. Insert both 3-inch hex bolts through the assembly. Secure bolts with 3/8-inch lock nuts and tighten. Step 3. Locate the hitch pin and the 2 5/16-inch hairpin cotter from the assembly hardware bag. Install the hitch pin through the clevis and secure with the cotter pin. After filling with water, install the drain plug by inserting the plug and tightening the bolt. You are now all finished with assembly of the 48T lawn roller. You're ready to hitch up to your lawn tractor for towing. I'm Craig from OHIOSTEEL, and remember, yard work shouldn't be hard work.